Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. If you're looking for a way to get six-pack abs quickly, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the best exercises, nutrition tips, and lifestyle changes that will help you achieve your goal of getting a six-pack in no time. The first step towards getting six-pack abs is to focus on your diet. You need to reduce your overall body fat percentage, and that starts with eating clean and healthy foods. Make sure to consume a high-protein diet, as it will help you build muscle and reduce your appetite. Cardio is essential to get a six-pack quickly. By doing regular cardio exercises like running, swimming, or cycling, you'll be able to burn off excess calories and fat. Incorporate cardio into your daily routine and see the difference it makes in your physique. Core exercises are essential to get a six-pack. You need to strengthen your abs to make them more visible. Some of the best core exercises include planks, sit-ups, and leg raises. These exercises will help you tone your abs and make them more defined. Weight training is crucial to building muscle mass, and it's an important part of any fitness routine. By lifting weights, you'll be able to build lean muscle, which will help you burn more calories even at rest. So, make sure to add weight training to your routine. Consistency is key to getting six-pack abs fast. You need to be dedicated and consistent in your workouts and nutrition. Make sure to stay on track, and you'll see the results you're after. So, there you have it, folks, some of the best tips and tricks to get six-pack abs fast. Follow these tips, and you'll be on your way to achieving your fitness goals in no time. Remember, it takes time and effort to get a six-pack, but with dedication and hard work, anything is possible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fitness tips and tricks.